What is the first thing that you should do as soon as you decide that you're going to build a swimming pool, either yourself or hiring somebody to build it for you? What is the very first thing that you should do? You should hire me, Swimming Pool Steve, to consult with you about this new swimming pool that you're going to get. If you click the link in the description or just go to my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com, and click on Ask Steve, you can hire me to consult with you about your new swimming pool installation. I'm going to help you make better technical decisions. I'm going to help you to be more informed. I'm going to arm you with information to help you get the swimming pool that you want. That's the thing, is a lot of the times, you could build a pool, but there's a huge spectrum in terms of the different kinds of pools and your expectations of function specifically for this pool. I can help you with that process from beginning to end, choose better filtration equipment, offer different peripheral items for sanitizing or auxiliary systems, or how to optimize the placement of skimmers, returns, suction, return for filtration. All of this stuff, things that I could be helping you with, and if you hire me right from the beginning, then it can apply to your entire project. Probably half of the people that hire me through my consulting program on my website have already started the process. They're halfway through building the pool, which is fine. I can still help you in a lot of different ways, but boy, wouldn't it be better if you could just have me on board from the beginning, because I'm going to be able to help you evaluate the paperwork, the initial consultations with subcontractors or the builders who are going to be installing this pool for you. It's a complicated process. There's a lot going on, and I can help you understand all of it better. Click on the link below or go to Swimming Pool Steve and click on the Ask Steve section, and then you can hire me as a consultant to help you with your swimming pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.